Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we're taking Excel 3A Excel for the web. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the screen. I can handle all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, and many more courses. Custom one is that from the Chrome browser, go to www.office.com and sign in with your college Office 365 account or your personal Microsoft account. Upload and open the student Excel 3A Office for the web documents file from the location which you downloaded it from IT Lab. Basically, in this step, you will have to download this file from IT Lab and then you can upload on your Office. You can see this. I have also downloaded this file. Okay, customer 2 is that if necessary display the classic ribbon and as follows. At the right end of the ribbon, locate the switch ribbons arrow and click the display the up arrow so that more commands display or the ribbon. The simplified ribbon display fewer commands and it is useful when working on mobile device. If necessary, display the classic ribbon as follows. At the right end of the ribbon, locate the switch ribbons arrow and click to display the up arrow so that more command display on the ribbon. Okay. Moving on a Excel file. Now question number 3 is that select cell C4 tab is equal to select cell B4 tab divided by select cell B10 and then press F4 to make the cell reference absolute. Press enter to create a formula to calculate a percentage of total fund expenditure. Select cell C4 and then fill the formula down through cell C9. Select cell C4. Moving on Excel file, click on cell C4. Okay, tab is equal to select cell B4 tab divided by tab is equal to in cell B4 C4. Okay, and then B4 tab select cell B10 and then press F4. Divided by F10 B10. Okay, press F4 to make sure that cell reference absolute. Press enter to create a formula to calculate percentage of total. Dollar sign is here. F4 you can select and then press F4 and it will be added dollar sign. Press enter to create a formula to calculate percentage of total fund expended. Then press enter, it will be shown value percentage of total fund expended. Okay, select cell C4 and then fill the formula. Fill the formula down through cell C9. Right click on this and double click on this and it will be filled on the formula through C10. Okay, this is done now. Moving on customer 4. Question number 4 is that with cell C4 to C9 selected, on the home tab in the number group select percentage and then alignment group select align center. Okay, with cell C4 to C9 selected, you can select first this range and then moving an Excel file and then enter this range on the home tab and number group select percentage and then it alignment group align center. Okay, you can enter this range first and then go to the home tab and then go to the number group, select percentage style. Go to the number group, click on person style, okay, and then go to the alignment tab and alignment group and then middle alignment of this range, center alignment, okay, and then in the alignment group, go to alignment tab and then select center the alignment. This question is completely done right now. Now moving on question number 5. You can see I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. Question number 5 is that select the range A4 to B9 on the insert tab. In the charts group, select pi and then select 2D point to the charts. Hold down the left mouse button and then drag the chart so that upper left corner is position cell A12 and center below the data. Basically in this question we will have to select first this range A4 to B9 and then we will go to insert tab and then we will create a chart, pie chart. Go to the pie chart and then you can select pie chart, 2D pie chart. Go to the pie chart tab and then you can select 2D pie chart and then right click on this, cut the chart and then paste in cell A12. Chart position will be changed, okay. Select the range A4 to B9. You can select first this range A4 to B9. Copy this range and enter this range, okay. Range will be selected and then on the insert tab we will have to move on insert tab. Click on insert tab and then click on charts, pie chart. Select 2D pie chart. Pie chart will be created and then we will have to move the chart first. Where we move, you can see instruction in this question where we move, okay. Point the charts, hold down and then left mouse button and then drag the chart to the upper left corner position cell A12, okay. Right click on this and cut the chart and paste in A12. First way is that and second way is that you can select the chart and hold and then press hold button, hold down on left mouse button to drag the chart so that upper corner in cell A12. Easy way is that right click on this chart and you can cut the chart and paste in cell A12 or you can, okay, we will have to move the chart or you can drag chart in cell A12. This is done now. Now moving on next question. Next question is question number 6. Question number 6 is that select the chart title and then press enter to display the added title dialog box. If necessary, select the text chart title, replace the selected text by tapping adjusted expenditures, okay, and then select okay. You can copy this chart title and then moving on Excel file and then click on chart title. First we will have to copy this title, adjusted expenditures, okay. Okay, select the chart title first. Moving on Excel file, click on chart title, okay, and select this. You can copy this adjusted expenditures, okay, and paste in chart title. You can tap or paste in here adjusted expenditures. Okay, this is done now and then select okay. Okay, you can see I have done 60% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, economics, writing, and many more courses. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I will provide you A plus grade in your assignment, exam, quiz, and complete course. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck.